everybody. I'm going to redo my last screencast, basic HTML, because I'm not totally satisfied with the first attempt. So let's start with a new document. This and okay, here we have a blank document, and I'm going to teach you the basics of HTML today. So I'm going to keep it real simple. First, what you need to know is that HTML is based on what we call tags. This is a tag. It starts with a bracket and ends with a bracket. The text in the middle describes what the tag does. When you write an HTML document, you start with and you end with an HTML tag. You'll notice that end tags got a slash to signify that it's an end. Typically you have a head tag. Everything within the head tag is stuff you don't see, but properties of the page, like the title. And let's give it a test page and an end tag. Well, that's all we're going to do for the head today. You can do a lot more, like import style sheets and stuff, but we'll cover that later. And we're going to create a body. This is where the main page lives. This is what you see on screen. The title is what you see on top of the browser window, not in the page itself. So I'm going to write some text. Hello world. And I'm going to save it as a tutorial.html on the desktop. And let's look at this. Open in Safari. And there you go. You have a page that says hello world. Now, that was really simple. I'm going to cover a few more tags today. Just get you started. The heading tags, that gives you headers like H1, which is the biggest one, and we're going to do H2 also, so you can compare it. Like that. And we're going to save it and reload the page. There you see, now it's the text is bigger and it also bold. And it has a few more properties like the distance between the text and so on. And I'm going to do some standard text, but I'm going to put in a few more tags. So text, that is B for bold. Didn't know what I was going to write there. I for italic, and U for underline. Now let's see how that looks. There you go. Text that is bold, italic, and underline, and you can combine those. There are more elegant ways to do this with CSS. It's a little bit more complicated, but it is a better way of doing it now in the modern browser world. But I'm not going to cover CSS today. That's a whole nother story. So this is the basics you need to know to get started on HTML. I want to recommend a page for you to look up more tags and other stuff. If we go to, I don't remember, I think the name was W3 Schools, and it is w3schools.com. Here you can look up Learn HTML, Learn HTML5, JavaScript, all the things you need to know. You get HTML text formatting right here. And there you got an example, and you see the tags right here, and lots of examples. And here are the tags listed, like B, big, I for italic, and so on. So that's it for today. You should go try yourself. Good luck.